Good morning. Look at this. It's the weirdest smile you've ever seen, isn't it? I just, for the life of me, couldn't do a nice big round one. So I'm not sure if everyone got the joke when I said I was putting on his ears. These are actually eyes, and these are his little black pupils, his eyeballs. So yes, it's a little frog. So I was pretending to do ears to keep the mystery going. So there you go, a little frog. So I'm going to make a little scarf for him. Last night I sat and did a scarf for my little girl, same colour as the beanie. So I think I did it a bit long, and then I did a scarf for my Pooh Bear, which is the same length, but she just looks, yeah, it just looks a bit different. I think I should have done a different colour for him, but I thought red would match his jersey. And then I finally did a little scarf to match the trousers for the little boy, Izzy. So I will show you, and I already had one done for the Paddington Bear and the snowman. So the snowman was my first one, and it was a little short one, and then these ones are longer. So I'm not sure. First of all, I thought they were too short. So do you like them short or long? Maybe I like them short. I think it's a bit too long, and they curl because it's garter stitch. That's way too long. But anyway, so this is how I do the scarf. So once again, I put the yarn twice around my finger and hold it down. Pick up the back loop and bring it forward. Pick up the new back loop and bring it right over my finger. And there you go. There's your slip knot. So I'm going to cast on, I think I did 40 stitches, and then for these I did 60. Maybe I did 50 for Paddington. So I think the others are getting a bit too long, so I think I might do 50 stitches. So I cast on 50 stitches, and then I just do 3 rows in garter stitch, which is every row knit. And if you'd like to see tutorials on how to knit or how I cast on or cast off, I do have separate tutorials in another playlist, but I'll just show you quickly how I do it. So I put my needle in. I do it just like a knit stitch, and when I bring it out, I pull it round and I twist it and bring the first one up and catch the stitch, and then I just put the needle at the back. So I knit, bring it through like I'm knitting. Instead of pulling the stitch off, I just twist it round. I catch the stitch again with that left one, and then you can pull when you're learning, it's quite good to pull your needle right out. So I put it in, do my knit stitch, but I leave the stitch on and I twist it around, catch that stitch, and you just pull your needle right out. But later on you'll get used to, instead of pulling it right out, you sort of pull it almost out and then you just poke it back up again as if you're knitting. And you can get, once you get used to it, you sort of get a little bit faster. So it's just practice. So I think I'll try 50 stitches and then do my 3 rows of garter stitch, and then I'll come back and show you how I'm casting off, and then my little froggy will be finished. And someone said call her Frida the frog, so I think that's going to be her name. See you soon. Right, so I've just about finished the little scarf. So garter stitch is every row knit. If you want to, you could do 1 row knit, 1 row purl, and 1 row knit, just to make it look a bit different. But this is every row knit, and then I've been busy casting off. It's a slow process for me. So this is how I cast off. So I knit 2 stitches, then I just grab the right hand stitch and I pull it over and off. So I knit a second one, grab that one, pull it over and off. And that's how you cast off. Now normally I'd cast off very loosely for a garment. Because these are just little scarves for the dolls, I'm doing it quite tight. But if you do it too tight, if you're making a cardigan or a jersey for yourself, then you can't get your hands in the sleeves, or they're too tight around everywhere. So there you go. Give it a snip. That pulled tight. Oh, well, that's pulled tight. Usually I thread it through. Right, let's tidy up this mess. And then I just grab my needle and I put it through, thread it up and pull the yarn through. Just backwards and forwards here. You don't have to do it this way, you can just put the yarn down the side, but I started doing it this way. Just to hide that end bit of yarn. Just go backwards and forwards. A few times. Snip that off. Beautiful sunny day today, so I think I'm going to have to go out and work in the garden, and then I'll try taking Holly out for a walk when it's cooler. It'd be a nice day, there's no breeze, so I might go down to the beach, but I might go down by myself so I can have a little walk and not have to worry about Holly, which is a shame, but there's just too many dog attacks by bigger dogs on small dogs on the beach. So a friend's dog got killed a few weeks ago by a bigger dog. It's actually getting quite scary to take them out. There you go. Let's try and get it a bit straighter than that, a bit more even. That's cute. That's cute. Maybe he needs a nose. Do you reckon he needs a nose? I think that's quite cute. Or he could do with a little hat with a brim. Looks like he needs something. Maybe he could have had some little shoes. Just a bit more colour in him. But no, she's really cute. She, not he. I keep saying he. So I'm very pleased. So there you go. There's my little Frida the frog. So I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. Bye.